Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're replacing the splash shields under the undercarriage of our 07 Mazda 3. As you can see, the old ones are quite worn from New England weather. We got these at 1aauto.com, so if you need these parts or any other parts for your car, click on the link below. Come on over to 1aauto.com. On this particular car, someone's been in here before trying to reinforce the undercarriage splash shield. So they have a lot of aftermarket hardware. There's various from 13mm sockets to 8 Phillips screwdrivers. So it's your vehicle, if it's factory, are different sizes. And if you've done some repairs or you have a used vehicle, you might have different sizes. So it all varies. There we go. The front splash shield and the back splash shield are stuck together because this bolt is completely rusted in the clip. I'm going to take them both down together, and that way I can access the backing clip a lot easier. I'm going to reassemble the front splash shield. Put this one up first. I'm going to put the center bolt in first. There's 5 total here. Guide everything up. Looks like this. The end tabs go over the plastic. Yeah, that one fell into place naturally. Now I can start my bolts. I'm probably going to tighten this one. Okay, that one's in. There we go. The side shield's broken. There we go. Doesn't help when the bumper's been crushed a little bit. There we go. Sweet. There should be 4 of these, 2 on both sides, but the passenger side, the inner fender well has been cut out and missing, so I'm going to use some plastic wire ties. Someone already pre-drilled some holes, so I'm just going to put them right through the body clip. And one on the front. Cut the ends off. Yeah, get that clip in. And there you have it, we're done.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.